Hey everybody, it's your boy Matty Ice coming with a quick warning. The video that you are about to see, please, please, please do not recreate this at home. I've trained, I am prepared for this. What I'm about to do in this video is extremely dangerous, and I do not recommend anybody to do this. Just for your own safety, leave it up to the professionals. So please enjoy the video and sit back and relax.
I want to play a game. For years, you put your body at risk, eating spicy food with no regards to personal safety. In front of you is the spiciest chewing gum on the planet. Should you chew it, it will cause severe stomach cramps and profuse sweating. If you don't, then you'll be a coward.
Get that away from me.
Ridiculed by family and friends. The choice is yours. You have 5 minutes to blow as many bubbles as you can. Failure will result in cramps and sweating for absolutely no reason at all. The timer starts as soon as the gum is in your mouth. Make your choice.
Wait. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh God, it is hot. God, everything is numb. There was two! There were two bubbles! Now let me go, you bastard! Let me go! What are you doing? You let me go!
Most people are so ungrateful to be alive. But not you. Not anymore. Game over.
So, I just want to give you guys a quick update. I'm okay now, but as soon as I spit out the gum, I went into fight or flight mode, panic mode. That gum, like it ramped up. So, please do not try this at home. Do this. This was even too much for me. I was able to blow 2 bubbles, but I was not able to swallow any of the saliva because I mean, I got a little bit of the saliva down, and it immediately caused stomach cramps, and I thank God I got the bubble out when I did, because I had to stop. That is how gnarly that gum was, and this is the stuff I put myself through to entertain you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoy this, and just remember, do not try this at home. This is not for just your everyday person. Even me that does this for a living, this was too much. So again, I'm okay. It's been about 15-20 minutes. My eyes are still bloodshot red. I ended up getting, my mouth is still on fire, but I'm okay, and I'll be alright. And until next time, I love each and every one of you. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, remember, no heat, no eat.